Hello traders, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Chandrasekhar signing in from the Trade Empire. Today in this video, we are going to discuss about post and pre-market analysis of Bank Nifty dated 24/11/2021. If you had watched my yesterday's video, you will be understanding how exactly I predicted today's market. Yesterday, what I told was Bank Nifty will going to break the high of 23rd, and if the momentum is strong, it will be touching the 38,800 level, and if the momentum is further strong, it would be reaching around 38,203. And my second prediction was it would touch this line, it would touch this level, and from this level it will start going reversal. If you had watched the video, you will be understanding how exactly I predicted. It happened exactly. So here, so Bank Nifty today opened in the range of 37,400. The first candle which formed was a bearish candle. After that, at this region around 37,241 level, it took a support and started moving in upward direction. So exactly at the level of 30,444, it formed a strong bearish candle. So the first best trade I took around 10:15. So the reason for taking this trade is, so yesterday only I updated my view on Bank Nifty. In morning it would be a bullish. So based on my view, I took this trade. So here in this region, I took this trade. The strike which I took for the trade is 37,300 CE around 330. So the trade really went well. So from 332, the trade moved from 330 to 490. In this trade, I could able to capture around 150 points. So this is the best trade I took in today's market. After that, again around 1050, around here in a country. So sensing a continuation pattern, I took my trade. So this is not a best trade, but it was just a good trade because I didn't make that much profit, but I made small profit of around 20 to 25 points in this trade. So apart from this, I took two more trades in this region where one exited cost to cost, another one hit my stop loss. I lost around 30 to 35 points in my second trade. These are the trades I had taken in today's market. So what could be the logic for tomorrow to trade in Bank Nifty? So let's check the Bank Nifty in day time frame. So since it has formed a reversal pattern, so today's low will act as a crucial support. That is 37,243 levels would be a crucial point to trade on tomorrow's market. Once the Bank Nifty start crossing this level, we have to be alert and we can take positions on C side. The crucial support to trade Bank Nifty for tomorrow's market would be first one, it has to cross 37,243 level. After that, once it crosses this level, so the second crucial level would be around 36,893 and 36,516 would be the crucial level on P side. Likewise 37,760 and 37,900 and also 38,195 will act as a crucial resistance for Bank Nifty on tomorrow's market on call option side. So let's look on the Nifty chart. Nifty and Bank Nifty are creating the same patterns, exactly similar patterns from past few days. So the logic to trade Nifty would be the same. Tomorrow I'm expecting Bank Nifty and Nifty both should be in a bearish momentum. So the crucial level for Nifty on bearish side today would be 17,278 levels and 17,140 levels. On higher side, 17,698 and 17,837 and 18,025 levels. These are the crucial support and resistance of Nifty to trade on 25/11/2021. So apart from this, the equity stock which I suggest to trade today would be ZIL. The reason for selecting this stock is pretty simple. In a day time frame, it has formed a strong bullish candle, and from past 2 days, it is moving in upward direction. Also, I have some position in the ZIL. So on 15th/11, I updated this in my premium group also for positional trading. Now it has started moving up. My stop loss was somewhere here. It didn't hit my stop loss. It came back almost very much near to my stop loss, and from yesterday it started moving up. Here it has taken a support at the levels of 290. So from here it has started moving up. So I am expecting at least it will reach somewhere around 356 to 362. If the momentum is stronger, it may go further high. For tomorrow's market, the logic will be very much simple. ZIL has to break the resistance of today's high, which is the level of 338. Once it crosses this level, taking candlesticks pattern into consideration, we can take entry on upper side. Hope my videos are helping you to learn many things. If you are new to my YouTube channel, I request kindly like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, click on the bell icon for notification alerts. You can join my free Telegram channel. The link has been posted in the description. Thank you for watching.